Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact Krita version you have. This prevents mismatches. Once done, save and close any active projects, then shut down plugins and background instances so files aren't locked. Now, decide whether to use the Microsoft Store, Portable Build, or Official Installer. Choose the installer for a full update. Make sure you have admin rights on Windows. Finally, download the matching 64-bit installer or the appx/m6 package. Keep the file in downloads so you can find it immediately. Run the installer as administrator so the updater can replace system files. When the wizard appears, pick Upgrade or Install and confirm the installation path. Use the existing directory to preserve settings. Opt to keep user configuration when prompted. This retains brushes, resources, and keyboard shortcuts. If offered, enable Python plugin integration only if you use scripts, otherwise skip to keep startup faster. Progress bars show file replacement. Wait for completion, and don't interrupt the process or force quit the installer. After installation, launch Krita and verify the version in Help About. Test a quick file open and brush stroke to confirm stability. If Krita fails to start or crashes, first clear user settings by renaming the Krita config files in %appdata%. This forces a fresh config without losing backups. If plugins cause errors, remove or reinstall them individually. As a last resort, rerun the installer and choose Repair or reinstall the same version. This restores missing files while keeping your backup project safe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.